Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're exploring one of the most exciting places on Earth, Disney California Adventure Park. It's not just a theme park, it's a world where adventure, magic, and thrills collide. From hidden gems to jaw-dropping moments, this place is packed with surprises. Stick with me as we uncover what makes this park so special. Let's dive in.
Hello friends, welcome with me in Disneyland Hotel. Come tour with me. Come on, friends. First, you get this excellent coffee machine. You get this coffee machine. You can get coffee anytime, and you get these stuff. You get green tea, you get a lot of stuff right here. Now, you get cups to drink your drink. And you see this? This is controlled with this. It makes a sound when you just play it. Here is the couches, really soft. And the beds are really comfy. Then right over here is another one. It's a small couch. You can just chill in it. And now, the awesome Disneyland view. The Disneyland view is full of nature. A lot of trees. When you're down, so now, here is your items. So you can put anything in this drawer, you can put anything in these two drawers. And now, here is the fridge. Pretty more space. Pretty much, it's a mini fridge. You can put anything you like in there. And now, you have yours here. You can put your computer, you can work here, you can do anything here. Now this is the fun part. Get it, Mom. Guys, do you think this is fake or real? Tell me in the comments. Delicious. This is very good and delicious. I love it. I thought this was a milkshake, but it was actually ice cream. This is Disney restaurant. It's really delicious. Wow, this airplane is so cool. I love it. But it's fake. But it's so realistic. It even has an inside interior. Let's go some on the ride. Bye-bye. I hope you enjoyed it.